Hey, I know what you're thinking, that I'm about to have a cup of coffee in the shower, alright? No, today's a wash day, and today I'll be showing you particularly how to scrub your scalp to your lock, particularly if you have starter locks, without unraveling the locks, okay? So, I'll be right back. Hey, I'm Emmanuel from Freeform Locs, bringing you yet another fantastic video about Freeform Locs. So in today's video, I'll be showing you particularly how to scrub, how to wash your hair, especially if you have starter locks, okay, without unraveling the lock. I'll show you exactly how I do it, okay, and I'm sure you'll be getting a lot from this video. So straight off the bat, I'll be showing you what I'll be using. I want to do a salt wash today, okay? I'll make this in another video, okay? I'll be presenting another video about the benefits of washing your locks with salt, or at least salt water, okay? The benefits of salt water to your locks. So, but in this video particularly, I'll be sharing with you I want to just demonstrate with you how I scrub, okay, without unraveling the locks, or for those who are scared to unravel the locks, especially the starter locks, right, the twists, how exactly it's done. So I have this here, right here is my shampoo, okay, alright, it's a 2-in-1 shampoo actually, so it's a body wash but it's also a shampoo. I intend actually to start using more residue-free shampoos and all of this. I don't think this one particularly is, okay, but you see the focus of this video is the scrub method, if you will, alright? So that's here's the salt, okay? So what I usually do is I mix my shampoo with the extra salt here, alright? Just to have better results. So here's how I do it exactly. So of course I start by, now I told you I'll use my mug. So I start by, of course, dampening the hair, dampening a little bit. Right, so now that it's done, all I need to do now is salt, or rather I'll go with my shampoo or whatever soap you're using, right? Okay, so I have an amount right there, okay, that's it, and I'll put a little bit of salt. And I'll mix it up. See it? Mix it up, mix it up, and mix it up. And then apply it there. Another mixture. Have some soap and some more salt. Yeah, so apparently sea salt or salt water has a lot of benefits for locks. Actually, what happens is if you've had a good swim in the sea with the salt water, you realize that it helps it promotes the locking process actually, and particularly if the water is cold, okay? So cold salt water, it does a good job for your locks. So apply more. Okay, just apply.
This beat untagged for free at
freebeats.io. I start the scrubbing process. Okay, this is what I do. I scrub the scalp. Scrub the scalp, scrub it.
Freebeats.io.
Do a good scrub. I use my fingertips, and That's what I do. Scrub. Do a scrub. Do a scrub like this. You just make sure that you're scrubbing all the areas your fingers are in, they're touching the scalp. All I'm doing is I'm scrubbing the scalp. Okay. Scrubbing the scalp. When you're in the budding phase and your hair is locking up, one of the signs that you'd have that shows that you're really in the budding phase is that after a wash like this, you realize that the lock stays intact. It doesn't unravel up. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about that. So you just
freebeats.io.
literally scrub. I do this generally like once every week or every 2 weeks. This time I stayed longer, okay? It's about 3 weeks now. But generally I'll go like once every 2 weeks or once every week.
Get this beat untagged for free at freebeats.io.
That's it, that's it. I think I'll add some more soap. And of course more salt.
freebeats.io.
Mix it up. And notice I just apply on the surface, okay? Just apply on the surface like this. And then I do the scrub. I go with my fingers in so that I really send the soap, the salt, and everything into the scalp. Right, so after you've had a good scrub of the scalp like this, I'll go now for a rinse, okay? Go for a rinse now.
freebeats.io.
My water here. And
untagged for free at freebeats.io.
so, water, this is the rinse.
freebeats.io.
So I rinse in the same fashion, okay? Using still my fingers. Scrub the scalp. And that's it. I'm good. So I'm done scrubbing the scalp, okay? While I'm doing the wash right now, right, the water just runs off the lock. As simple as that. I don't need to scrub the lock per se. All I do is focus on the scalp, alright? Scrubbing here. What I do is I don't use a towel, okay? I just use on this. This is quite a sunny day, so I'll just allow it dry up in the sun. But I'll do a shake. I'll do this. Alright, do a shake. That's it. Do a shake. So that's it basically, as you can see right here. You see? here are the locks that are still in place. You can see right here. Right, there we go. There we go.
Freebeats.io.
Twists are still in place. You can see this one dangling right here. Still all in place. Nothing has changed. So I'll just allow this to dry up in the sun, and that'll be it. I'll just go bask. I'll probably do some sun gazing later on in the afternoon, but I'll allow the hair dry up. I'll probably do some more shake-offs again outside. Okay, and then I'll allow it dry up with the sun.
At freebeats.io.
I'll probably go outside and have a sun bath. Okay, so that's it. So if you really enjoyed this video, I really appreciate your comments. I would like you to share with me your experience, your wash experience. So notice in this video, I just wanted to show you my wash technique. The fingers rubbing the scalp, alright? Not really the hair or the locks itself, alright? Particularly if you have your starter locks right now, they're baby locks, they're still in their infancy stage, okay? So all I do is, I just wanted to show you in this video how I do the scrubbing. So we weren't paying attention particularly to the products that I use. But you see, the freeform method allows you to be very minimalistic when it comes to products and all of that. So I use just some salt. Okay, this is some sea salt. You can get some salt products if you have any salt to add, because the salt water actually helps your lock bind even more. Okay, and I had some simple soap here. Okay, if you have any whatever soap you're using, you can use that. I just use the salt to add more of the benefits of salt water to my locks. Okay, so there we go. So
Get this beat.
you have a fantastic day then. Enjoy your lock journey then, and see you on the next one.